Rishi, before I go to the next participant, so there are few questions in the Q&A box. So can we take them after all of the presenters have presented?
Yes, sir. We will take them after all the presenters are presented.
Okay, great. So with this, I would request CA Amogh to please present his use case. And participants, please keep voting in between, or you can vote at the end of the session. Entire session is being done. And please feel free to take notes. Thank you. Over to you, Amogh.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm sharing my screen. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, audible.
Yes. Sir, is my screen visible?
Visible. Right.
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is CA Amogh. I'm practicing as a chartered accountant in Shimoga City, Karnataka state. Today, my topic is AI-powered smart document collection. Before I begin, a small disclaimer that every tool used in this session is purely educational purpose oriented and not for advertisement. At the outset, what's the fundamental need of any chartered accountant? Clients' documents is obviously the fundamental need. We perform various tasks based on clients' documents, whether it may be audit or preparation of financial statements or filing income tax return, GST returns, whatever it may be. Clients' documents are essential. Let me take simple example of monthly GST returns. Each month for each client, we are supposed to file a GSTR1 and 3B. Generally, we collect books of accounts from clients. More specifically to say, we require sales register, purchase register, and bank statements from client. And depending on nature of business, any other relevant documents we require from clients. How we collect? We generally collect those documents through mail or WhatsApp or call. Again, this is a tedious process which we are supposed to undertake each month for each client. Drafting emails for each client is again time consuming. Now, this is a repetitive task which is performed each month. So whenever there is a word repetition, there is scope for AI and its related technology tools. Now I will explain how this automation process can be done. But before going to automation process, the tools used are Google Sheets, Forms, Drives, and specifically Google Apps Script for automation and ChatGPT for generation of code. Now, practical demonstration part. I have prepared a monthly GST returns sheet with various details, serial number, client name, GSTIN, email, and Google Form upload link. This link pertains to a Google Form which I have prepared. This Google Form contains 2 questions, name and GSTIN, and 3 documents which are sales register, purchase register, bank statement, which are main documents, and another alternative document which is other relevant documents which clients can upload if they have relevant documents for that particular month. And on the responses tab of this Google Sheet, there is a link to sheet option. I'm linking it to my existing sheet, that is monthly GST return, which I have created. The moment I link it, form responses one sheet, additional sheet comes in the primary sheet. Whenever a client submits the documents, his responses are recorded here. Now, prompt which I'm using is, I'm introducing ChatGPT that what I'm going to do, that I'm automating the collection process. And even I have specified it what I've already done, what it need to do. I have specified it that I have created Google Sheets, and even I have explained it what contents are there in the Google Sheet, like serial number, GST, and Google Form upload link, including questions. Next, I'm asking it to generate code for sending emails, automatic emails to clients each month on 3rd of every month, which I have chosen. Depending on your requirement, you can change 3rd or 4th or whatever it may be. Next, I also asked it to draft a good professional email body mentioning due date as 5th. I have given 2 days time to clients to upload their documents. And even I have asked it to mention regards as CA Amogh in the mail. I will copy this code and I will paste it here. The moment I paste it in ChatGPT, it generates code which is required to be inserted in app script. Now the code is ready. I will come back to the Google Sheets, and there is an option called extension. I will click on it and select app script from the drop down menu, and it comes to this window. Here I will clear existing function and I will rename the sheet as GST email automation. Now it's ready to, now the code can be pasted here. I will copy the code from ChatGPT and I will paste here, and I will save this code as new project. Next, on the left side of this app script window, there is an option called trigger. I will select it. Here, I will add a trigger. This trigger is required to define the time at which the system is required to send automatic emails regularly each month. Now I will add trigger here. Choose which function to run. Send reminder emails. It's correct. Next, choose which deployment should run. Head means the latest code which I have pasted. Next, select event source. Instead of from spreadsheet, I will select it as time driven. I will specify the time as month timer because I am required to send mails to clients each month on 3rd. Next, I will select the day as 3rd, and I will select the time as 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and I will save it. Now trigger is saved. Now I will come back to this app script window and I will click on run option. The moment I click, the execution will start and execution is completed. Now this entire tool is set, and each month on 3rd, this tool automatically sends emails to clients which are mentioned in Google Sheet. Next, this is the sample of mail sent by this automation tool, which clearly specifies what is to be done. It mentions due date as 5th and required documents it specifies, and even Google Form upload link is present here. Clients can upload their documents with ease, and even the moment the client uploads his document, the Google Form responses sheet updates automatically, and I can access the documents through this. In my Google Drive also, separate folders are created where bank statements are there, other relevant documents, purchase, whatever documents I have defined, it will automatically save those documents here. Even I can access here. Thus, by simply using a code to run automation tool, which is very simple but highly effective, each professional can send requisitions to his clients requesting various documents, and particularly we as chartered accountant can benefit from this tool highly. Thank you.
Thank you, Amogh. If you can please stop share. So I think again it's an automation of reminder with AppScript, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So and how do you so any validation controls you have tried to put in this?
Sir, yes, sir. Additionally, after clients have submitted their documents, even I can check whether GSTN is matching and even whether they have uploaded right documents or not. For that, OCR recognition tool I have developed, but since time is limited to 10 minutes, I ended.
So OCR in this AppScript environment.
Yes, sir. We can add, sir. We can add, and the moment.
So is that ready?
Sir, it's not ready, sir.
No worries.
I have checked it, but since time is limited.
No worries. So in case had this been ready, we could have revisited for once the session was over, because that could have been an add-on to all of the participants available.
Yes, sir.
So very nice presentation, and I think Rishi he was within time also, right?
Yes, he was well within time.
Well within time. So I thank you so much, and please stay back in case there are questions. We'll request you
Yes,
to
sir.
answer all of these
Yes, sir.
questions. So
Thank
I
you,
will
sir.
request the next panelist, CA Saloni ji, to please present her screen.